Hi guys, so welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video guys, we are here at Harbor Point. As you can see, this is the part of the Harbor Point.
Yeah, which is, I don't know what they call this. Manila Bay, a part of Manila Bay.
Yes.
It's off Rojas Boulevard.
Yeah, it is.
That's the only thing description I can give. It's off Rojas Boulevard. This is the backside of our building.
Yeah,
Or,
it is
I don't know,
yacht club. Right there, it's a
That's
yacht club.
yeah.
It's very nice here actually guys.
Yeah,
Just
I like the breeze.
yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice to
open.
walk. Especially today, it's not that hot. And you can also do biking here. And nighttime, they have also nighttime here, like disco.
No, over there they have restaurants, they have
Yeah,
disco place, of course.
disco place, and we can hear every night the noise of the
Weekend,
disco.
especially on
Yeah.
weekends,
Look at this view, such a beautiful view. Yeah.
How many people are here?
And they also have fishing here. They are fishing. Huh?
Alright.
You can catch fish here.
That tuna, let's buy from him.
Yeah, so what a beautiful view. Right
You
now
catch
it's
good spot?
low tide.
No good.
Kayo po yung
It's
nag
good.
Ah. Mostly anong isda po yung nahuli nyo dito? Tilapia?
Yeah,
Ah,
tilapia over there.
he catch tilapia. That's the Navy Marine Time right there.
What is that? What is this thing?
Ano po? Tilapia? Yung right there in the middle.
What is it?
The one that you can see like with that's the
Oh,
tilapia.
yeah?
They are making,
yeah?
you know, golf. You know how when they make golfs, you know. So that's the yacht club and the Navy Marine right here. Next to
Those condo buildings around here.
next to Navy Marine is the yacht club, and that's the Admiral, and that's a lot of. Right there it's Dolomite Sand.
Showing that, so.
No, wala be
Come,
showing
you want
here.
to show them? Come, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. You can take a close picture of this.
There's a lot of cat here,
I don't know, there's 4 over here, but the first must be more.
and a lot of people been feeding them also. And so right there is I don't know if there are stray dogs or somebody's on
No,
them.
there is stray dogs.
I see.
Stray. If you
Okay.
don't see a collar, then it's stray. And most of them are stray over here anyway.
Yeah.
Because if it belongs to somebody, they're not going to leave them alone like this. Because they're generally better breed.
Yung parang ano? Bulati. Ah,
He got a few fishes here. That's it. He got a few.
yeah, that's tilapia.
You catch this one here?
Ano yan? Tilapia yan? The catching fish. Tilapia. Okay, so let's take a walk, guys. Sky Garden by the Bay. It's a lot of people right now. They're all catching fish. Ah. Walang ganyan.
They need that kind of temperature in there.
Ayan lang mo siya eh. Oo, basta pang huli ito talagang...
Uncle, maybe you will fish here all day.
Crazy.
Okay, he likes to sit. He likes anything to sit. Right?
I like to go fishing, but not this one.
I love fishing. Oh.
This is the Korean barbecue.
Called mangrove.
Sky Garden.
Mangrove.
Where? Yeah. We are catching fish. Everybody's catching fish.
I don't want you to go too close. I'm not going to jump after you. Just remember that. Okay? And it's dirty water. I'm not going to come after you. You don't have to be that close.
So we gonna have drinks.
I don't know. I would say mangore.
Mangre.
Mangre. You can ask the young lady there. But I would say mangre. Which I don't know what it is.
Take out. I'm gonna have this one.
I forgot. I make a thing, got everything. Are you serious? Are you done now? Good.
So I get the mango shake.
You both got the same. No, mango shake or graham, mango graham.
Mango graham. Mango
So
graham.
that's different than. Okay.
It has the ice cream.
What did you get?
Same.
Same.
Same flavor.
Okay. Don't. Why don't you throw your, this thing down and then pick it up and then use it? The straw will taste more better. Seriously. Why doesn't he throw his straw down there and then pick it up?
put that there. I like that.
Yeah. Do we walk?
Look at that.
So I have to hold
So
this.
this
Now?
one is
Yeah. How much is the large one?
the large is 140.
140.
Yeah, I get the large, and Welgie get the medium size. It's 125.
What is in the bottom?
It's a sagu, the one that you don't like.
But you need to stir it? No?
That's the money. You can stir or not.
Okay.
Mm. Try.
Yeah, I'll try later. It's okay. You have time. You have time. Where you come?
Sagu. Come.
Where you come? You want to sit down or you want to finish?
Welcome. You can just walk. So this one, what is this?
What is this?
Just no name.
So this looks like the pizza place.
The
Remember we
yellow
came?
cup. I think the yellow cup.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we've been here. Remember?
So it has also the yellow
It
cup.
doesn't say here.
Yeah, because this is like the back. The,
The yellow cup,
and they have Baulong Private Restaurant. Mm.
What was it? Oh, that's the pancake.
Yeah, that's the pancake house. Yeah, we can have breakfast here. That's the pancake house, and
Yeah, how much you say? Choose two pancakes. You say something like that.
$2.99.
No, right there. 498 for what?
Oh no, that's the one. Choose any snacks. No, choose any two for 498.
No, for choose any two.
Yeah, for breakfast.
Two sets.
Mm.
Not just two pancakes.
Mm.
There's some. They probably have sandwiches, no?
They have.
They should, yeah. Oh yeah, they have burger sandwiches.
So this is the pancake house, and that one is what is that? It's Kuya Ernesto? Yeah, Kuya Ernesto Bisto.
Yeah, what? Where are you?
Huh?
Where's Kuya? Oh, there. Ernesto.
Yeah,
Ernesto
coffee
Bistro.
spot. They have coffee spot, and they also have, they have also disco. This is the one has disco.
City Cafe also. I don't know if
Mm.
it's open or what.
Yeah. Look like it's closed, this one. And that's the yacht.
Yeah, they have those dinner cruise yachts over here. Remember?
That's the other side, I think. Yeah.
No, it was a little bit up.